The role of robotics and the technological advancements in the human race is fast becoming a digital trend, leaving strands of hope in the minds of man and traces of doubt on the survival of humanity in the near to distant future. Robotics and artificial intelligence are the fundamental elements of the digital technology with great prospects on the humanity. Channels of possibilities and pathways for various newer innovations. However, there are certain questions that call for retrospection on the result of our interaction with the robots. Fundamental questions on how these systems affect our lives, possible usage missteps, automation, and its effect on human resources. How long can humanity keep these systems in control? And what does the future hold for humanity with our daily interaction with these automated systems? There are passionate questions that need to be discussed at length: robotics and the humanity. Graphical imagery and the depiction of sci fi movies and books create different notions on the interaction between the robotics and humanity. It is gradually becoming a case to worry about how robotics and artificial intelligence could affect the humanity's social life on a day to day basis and alter the status of our social environment by heaps and the bounds. In the 19th century, robots reached massive acceptance and the dominance in the human space. Increasing the rate of production of robots, incorporation of artificial intelligence in our daily lives, and their practical roles in the work automation, ranging from the use of phones and the introduction of emails, voice prompts, and the controls, digitalized medical care, and the production of cars, airplanes, and electronic devices. It is an inarguable fact that the robots have played an overall tremendous role in the progression of humanity. Its impact in the medical field, transportation, communication, financial, social, and economic rules, policies, and inventions are some glaring proof of their relevance in the human's life today. It is therefore of paramount importance to understand the fate of humanity with the presence of these automated systems. Major fields of robotics, the professional usage of robotics have been categorized into several different fields and the disciplines. The design, production, and the application of robotic systems rely on some of the major fields of learning. There are seven major fields of robotics, and they basically include following: aerospace. This includes the applications of science, engineering, and automation in the production of machines that fly and tour the space. The role of robots and artificial intelligence can be visible in the design or product models, construction, manning, and the maintenance of various aircrafts and the spaceships. Number second, biology. Innovations that focus on the study of life and matter, structure of biological components, theoretical and experimental analysis of the gene, species development, and the survival and the production of modern medical and biological aids to existence on the planet Earth. Number third, computer science. The study of algorithms, machine languages, hardware, and software systems birthed the use of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybernetics, and model logic to provide relational situations to our everyday affairs. Engineering. The engineering as a broad field of learning had been playing amazing roles in the robotics world. This encompasses the design and development of machines, their applications in real life situations, and the maintenance. Engineering, as it relates to the robotics and artificial intelligence, includes some of the following major branches: mechanics, mechanical, electrical, and the mono engineering, etc., etc. Physics. This embodies the study of laws of nature and the universe, principles, space, time, and matter, and its interaction with the humanity. Next, psychology. Artificial intelligence has its roots in the management of the cognitive and the behavioral sciences. Fundamentally, the ability to produce machines that can think, feel, and behave like humans has its roots in the field of psychology. Military science, military and the national defense are not left out with the need for software developers, robotics technicians, and operators to sustain the military force in the front line. How does robotics affect our lives? This is a very important question, that how does robotics affect our lives? Robots are becoming relational structures in our lives, affecting the major areas of human affairs. Advancements in communication systems, the introduction of self-driving cars, and entertainment structures have greatly changed the way we relate and do things on a daily basis. Especially that, too, with the advent of 21st century, these digital systems reduce the stress attached to our work duties, reducing errors and tasks and increasing our levels of productivity. The work of humanity has become relatively easier, trouble-free with the introduction of such new technologies. Their built and intelligence and the precision improve the humanity's safety. They eliminate the risk of exposure to the toxic environments and the conditions surrounding us, as they can function perfectly in these conditions with interruptions from the human aid. So the next question, that is, will robots take over humanity? This is also a very important question, that over the course of time, the robots, I believe, will definitely take over humanity in many functional roles, work duties, and employment functions. The advent of the Industrial Revolution from 1760 1820 to 1840 saw a quick sweep from the use of manual labor to the rise of work automation. This displaced human beings in the certain areas of specialization. Naturally, robotic dominance became visible in the textile industry, chemical factories, and the production plants with the introduction of machines. The cost of maintaining human labor, the possibilities of errors, and human inconsistency makes the use of robots a viable option in the human space. Next topic, that is the limitations of robotics. Then what can be the limitations of robotics? We must know about that. Actually, robots are known for master crafts on precision, multitasking, and the perfect quality work production and the delivery. But there are certain levels of limitations peculiar to these robots. These can pose great disadvantages to its usage. These disadvantages include the following. Actually, we must know that there are a lot of advantages of this artificial intelligence and robotics, but instead of those advantages, there are also a lot of many disadvantages of artificial intelligence and robotics. We don't know what we will be feeling in that time, in coming time. If we are feeling now in computerized world, we are very away from our family. We are now bounded. So we can think then what will be in that time when robotics or artificial intelligence will be very local. So first disadvantage is power supply. Actually, robots are usually powered by batteries or any backup source of electricity, and in order to maintain their usability and energy levels, it is essential to feed them with a steady supply of energy, else they become useless and unusable, unfortunately. Number second, the disadvantage is the communication. Robots are built with several sensors, processors, and the communication loops that are built to navigate mapped environments. This structure and the development will make it immensely difficult or slightly impossible for robots to function in such unmapped environment. Human depend. With the rapid innovations of artificial intelligence, there has not been a fully automated machine that doesn't need the assistance of human effort. which is at times difficult for the managers and workers, etc. Furthermore, robots are not trained to learn, reason, and handle complex and sophisticated duties on their own without the need of programmable commands, which are also programmed by intelligent humans. So we need to think here that actually robots are not trained to learn. Robots cannot learn. Robot cannot give or robot cannot tell reasons, and they cannot handle complex problems. Okay, so that's why it is also a very critical situation. This will also be a critical situation in that time when artificial intelligence will be there. So because in every aspect of life we need learning, we need reasoning, and we also when there is a problem we need complex or when there is complex situation we need very critical thoughts or critical points. So the next is cost of production. The production of robots costs millions of dollars, making mass production of robots a highly difficult task for almost all the types of industries. Hence, it is very difficult to mass produce several robotics. However, newer technologies are becoming more cost benefit fortunately. The next is the robotics lending a hand to hand to the humanity. Robots and automated systems are not just helpful to humans, but will also create amazing future advances for the technological advancements. From the use of drones, tractors, surgical smart systems, rockets, and the automated transport robotics, the impact of robots is largely visible and beneficial to humanity collectively. Moreover, the recent studies and scientific research are working to create future avenues that will improve the use of robots and their functionality to the humanity. Basically, there are five crucial areas that robots can help humanity in the future. The first, that is public security. Robots will become a helpful tool for the numerous law enforcement agencies to curb national and state crimes in a collective manner. Number second, that is education. The use of artificial intelligence in classroom learning and study setting will bring great benefits to the educational sector. This includes the use of computer-based learning, humanoid robots, stimulations for talking, listening, memorizing to boost the understanding and the training ability of students. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence will be of paramount importance in the various educational sectors. To some extent, they still are serving this very purpose. Amid the COVID crisis, such ways of education using artificial intelligence have been retained or incorporated. Number third, that is transportation. Self-driving cars are a very hopeful innovation to this purpose, but more designs can be applied to produce a fully automated car that can drive through the mapped and the unmapped environments. Healthcare. The future of healthcare relies on the machines powered by new technologies such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. This will involve the production of robots which have the ability to diagnose patients, administer treatments, and deeply read hormones, gene strands, and nerve impulse of individuals to ascertain their thoughts, pain, and well-being collectively. Number next, that's entertainment. The introduction of the virtual reality took the world on an endless wave of entertainment, opening the minds of inventors to the possibility of wireless streaming and the virtual stimulations, etc. This can be harnessed to produce more innovative devices which can entertain, engage, and interact with us in our respective homes duly. With the world's increasing interest and investments in the robotics and artificial intelligence, we will eventually see a drastic diffusion of robots in the workplace, and all facets of the life gross reduction in the amount of jobs available for humans. However, the increase of robots in workplace and human activities would then also cause a proportional increase in jobs, which robots cannot do because robots can work twice as fast as humans. More humans will also be required to commensurate the work done by these robots per project or task, etc. Finally, we will also witness a rise in the human robot relationships and the interdependence. As more robots will need humans to function properly, and humans need them to do tedious and technical work, man will be forced to work hand in hand with them eventually. So this ends here. Please guys leave a comment. Did you listen this or not? If you listen this, then what do you think? What are your thoughts, and what do you think that artificial intelligence will be beneficial for us or not beneficial for us? So we will be waiting for your comments, and we will be waiting for your thoughts. We will be waiting your about your thinking process.